We're realtors. Of course we're going to agree with you when you say the dirt just feels right.
We're realtors. Of course we're gonna walk into the creepy basement first that looks like the one from The Conjuring.
We're realtors. Of course we're going to drive 2 hours out of town just to show you one house because you like the vibe.
We're realtors. Of course you're gonna blame us for when the lockbox code does not work.
We're realtors. Of course we're going to walk property with you even though it's pouring down rain and we don't have an umbrella.
We're realtors. Of course my name and number are on the side of my car.
We're realtors. Of course I'm available at that time today, even though I already have plans and I'm going to cancel them.
We're realtors. Of course we're going to climb the hill like it's Mount Everest just to get the one bar of service to call a listing agent.
We're realtors. Of course we have pink fluorescent bags with our company's logo on them.
We're realtors. Of course we're going to help you move the couch because your friends didn't show up.
We're realtors. Of course we're gonna print 40 flyers even though nobody comes to our open houses.
We're realtors. Of course we're going to survive on caffeine and car snacks.
We're realtors. Of course we're gonna act like we know the difference between eggshell white and alabaster white.
We're realtors. Of course we're going to squeeze through the tiny gate to check out the backyard because the key doesn't work.